some Gina's. Yeah.
Let's go with some Gina's.
We're vlogging at Ethan's house. At Ethan's house. What happened? Wasabi. Sabi. Are we going outside?
Yeah.
Hold on, wait for me. I don't know how much battery life I got on this.
Son of a jerk.
Don't say that word. We just hung out and played NHL and I lost.
I beat Lucas because Lucas sucks everything.
I agree with Lucas. Hey, champ.
Oh, what the Oh, yeah, my fucking soaking wet.
Why is it ball? Yeah, Chris scored.
Hey, Lucas.
Pass. Oh.
Say hi.
Stop hitting me, Christian. Come on.
I'm trying to play basketball.
Yeah, stop hitting me.
Ow! I can't it. Let's play basketball. Oh, pass, Lucas. Record. This is Trick Shots video number 1.
Hey, don't kick it.
That's part of the shot. Part of the shot. Hey!
Go ahead, goal.
O'Neal. Oh! Wasabi. He's the mascot for the channel. Hi, mascot. Wasabi, let's go upstairs. I'm gonna beat you. Remember every time I'll be like... Oh, okay, sorry. I forgot how small your room is now that my room's so big. Oh, all the WWEs. Which one's John Cena?
No.
How? Wait. Oh, is this John Cena?
Hold him up. Yeah, that's John.
John Cena. Let's do the boxing. A boxing ring. Right. Hey guys, it's WWE Dude number 5. And today we got tattoos and John Cena, because that's the only guy I know. And look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pack. Plus titties. Yeah. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1. RKO. Die. Off the back. Into John Cena. Oh, out of the ring. Boing. Boing. Spin him around. Whoa. RKO. Pass me something to fight with. Hurry up, John Cena's waiting.
Here, fight with the camera.
How?
Just do it.
Hey guys, hold on. This is a pretty cool thing. Hey guys, it's Cena Vlogs here, and today we're gonna be going in my life and stuff. So this is a day in the life of Cena. Hold on. So this is my room. It's pretty sick. Yeah. What's this guy's name?
CM Punk.
CM Punk. Hey, CM Punk. You have candies? Can I have all your candies? Why is there year-old food in here?
He's too lazy.
Your 3DS XL. What game is in here? Pokemon.
Lucas.
Oh, hey, these are your beats knockoff.
Yeah, and then I have my real.
Don't film my bum. That's child porn.
Who's this guy? This black guy.
That's
Watch me
I'm
whip.
trying to think.
Oh, look at him. Look at him. Ready? Watch me.
That's Sheldon
Whip.
Benjamin.
Ready?
Wait.
Watch me whip.
Wait, I can't get it.
Watch me
Christian.
nay. Watch me whip. Watch me nay. Watch me wiggle my thing. Fine, I won't say it. You say it then.
No.
Who is this?
It's our truth.
No, it's not.
It's not Wiz Khalifa.
Hey, that's racist. Don't say this is Wiz Khalifa. Easy for them, please.
No.
But why? It's broken.
You can't break my iPod for no reason.
But it's a drop test of a broken iPod. Oops. See, look, he doesn't use these, and they're dead. So we should drop them.
This works and that
Drop
works.
test, double drop
Both
test,
those work, by the way.
John Cena test. We're going downstairs anyways. I have an old video of you and Lucas and me. Do you mind if I show it on YouTube?
Sure.
Because you don't really look to any difference,
You
just
look
you're
like a
taller.
dumbass.
And Ethan looks the same, except his hair was in a bowl haircut, and he was like, I'm really high pitched. Sing.
Very, very being at the hobo.
We're going to basketball season.
Y'all film like Smash Brothers or something later today?
Yeah, we're probably gonna film a little bit of Smash Brothers or like
An actual,
Battlefront. Oh,
an
it's
actual
dark.
good video.
An actual gaming video. I don't think we've ever recorded a video that wasn't gaming. Well, we did that Triple M thing, but we weren't.
Even then, that was related to games.
We weren't playing games. Oh look, Lucas! Let's lock the door. How do you lock it?
Yeah. Hey, Christian.
Open it. It's unlocked. Pull the door. I locked it and then I unlocked it. We're recording.
You're recording?
I recorded you being really weird and.
Just too long.
Come on, Wasabi. Oh, automatic lights. Have you guys seen this room? It's pretty sick. Look at that TV. Let's go.
The game is gonna crash. There we go. Yeah. Okay, you wanna play Smash, Christian? What?
We're gonna.
There, you wanna go upstairs?
Sure.
Okay, yeah.
Should we do DS Smash?
Oh, yeah, that'd be good.
Or how would I record? Well, okay. Well, the DSs are dying. We need to find chargers. Holy crap. He got his PlayStation work. What about this one? Where's the other one? What about this one?
That one, actually, yeah. Wait.
Where's the other charger? We could play these, right?
Yeah.
I don't know how to play, but...
And we also need Wi-Fi.
Holy shit.
Oh, 2008 SmackDown vs. Raw, sweet.
Oh. Dude, that's sick. We got these to work.
Dude, this is...
How'd you get these? Like, all you have to do is plug it in, though.
You don't need a battery if it's being charged, but
Yeah.
as soon as you... Here,
So do I have to take out the battery? Okay,
we have Pez.
so we got the PlayStation
Oh, let's play
PSPs.
NBA 07.
But this one doesn't want to work. Oh. Oh. Nope, never mind. So keep doing that. This is the Canadian one. So I guess we'll just put that down there. Let's see. I can't see anything. Let's just see what games you got. I think I've played a PlayStation Portable once. Ew, there's a tooth. I touched that tooth. Whose tooth is that? Is that yours?
Yeah, it's mine, don't worry.
Ew, is that your first baby tooth?
Probably. Probably not, actually.
Pez, you have Pez 2008?
We have Battlefront.
Tony Hawk? Oh, you have Battlefront? Dude, let's play all of these. Hold on.
Pez isn't Ronaldo on the cover. He sucks. Look at all these sweet things I
I
had.
think this is the only portable thingy that plays discs.
Yeah. I don't know. I've been thinking about asking my parents to buy me like a PSP or something. Like just so
Vita?
yeah, or no, a PSP.
Like
or a
these?
PS. Yeah.
Oh, because you want to play?
Yeah.
Do you have any other games?
Don't freeze. Don't freeze. Don't.
Do you have any other games?
What do you mean?
Besides, like, do you have any other games besides all these?
A lot of these just because the games, they're always pretty fragile.
Yeah.
There we go.
Put that in.
Pez.
Pez. We're gonna play some Pez on the PSP. I don't think anyone's ever said that in years.
Nah, PSPs are still not big, but...
They're pretty sick. I want to like buy one maybe off eBay or something.
Yeah, the thing is, they're still pretty expensive, so it's
Yeah,
like...
they're pretty rare-ish.
Look at this background. 10th anniversary Naruto edition.
It's Japanese too, or Korean, or whatever it is. Asian. Oh yeah, this is... When was this thing made? Like 2002?
2005.
Die.
No.
It's not working.
Hey.
I got it to work. It's already broken. Oh, yours is working. Shit. See what? It's stuck.
This game is so funny. It's called Thrillville. off the tracks, and you built your own. It's made by LucasArts, the people who made all the Battlefront
Yeah.
games, and you created your own roller coaster or your own theme park, and then you just ride all the rides the whole time, and you have to collect some money. Like Roller Coaster Tycoon.
No, it's not. Set time and date.
No. Oh, thank God.
X. Oh, wait. Oh. I was hoping we could play some PlayStation P. I want to play some Tony Hawk. And some Pez. Are you ready to play some Smash?
Come on.
You ready to play some Smash?
Yeah.
We've been playing like football for the last like 2 hours. Come on. And I've just been playing with those WWE things and these. Charmander, come on. Let's not make this a boring vlog. Even though it already is pretty much. Oh, this is cool. Yoshi. Lol.